Hi, it's Annelie. Today I'm just going to paint a chicken, a hen, and I've textured my board. I've put texture on. If you want to see how I do this, I use homemade stuff that you can get at the hardware store. You can just watch the videos that is linked underneath here for how to do the texture. And then I just put the wash on with black and beigey, mushroomy color here at the bottom, and I've sketched my chicken with my charcoal. So the colors I'm going to use for now is my Naples yellow, my white, my Payne's grey, a little bit of phthalo blue, a little bit of magenta, and a little bit of orange, and maybe a yellow. I will see when I get there if I want to put something else on. So for now, you can just watch me paint. I'm just going to start with the chicken roughly and decide what I'm going to do in the background. I'm not sure yet. So sit back, pour yourself a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy. Okay, I don't know, this doesn't work for me. I'm struggling. So I'm going to put a little bit of these papers on top of this and see if he doesn't want to maybe look better. This is just deli paper that I took some ink and splattered and wrote something in there. Usually when you put this up with I'm going to put it down with my gel medium. Usually if you do this, it's sort of transparent, so we will just see what is coming out here. Just want to see where I want to put it. Maybe like that. Okay, so I'm just going to put my gel medium. Just want to see up to where, over this whole area. It's usually when there's texture underneath a little bit not as easy, but we'll give it a go. Just want to make sure I'm going into all the nooks and crannies. If it's your first time doing this, rather try it on a not textured board. Well, this was a struggle. I think I'm going to stop here for now. So thanks for joining. What I did is I just took a little bit of my pastels and I scraped over it and just put a little bit of my white and yellow and blue over it again. And for now I'm going to stop, and I will see you next time. Have a lovely week.